So, Marthah's took a test.
Mm-hmm.
Show me your certificate. She's passed.
Yeah, I finally passed.
Finally passed. Yeah, we might have to speak up actually because we're quite far away from the mic, aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
So, was it an easy route? Hard route?
Yeah, it was an okay route. Yeah,
It's an okay route.
Yeah.
Some tricky bits.
Mm,
Did it feel harder to you?
not really.
So you must be getting better, mustn't you?
I think the last one that I did was harder than this one.
So it's your test number 3, it was.
Yeah.
The first 2 shoppers didn't pass.
Yeah, I didn't.
But anything you want to say to them that you think might help them? Anyone who's got a test coming up? Any tips?
Well, just concentrate, focus on your driving, and don't give up, because I passed. I mean, I failed 2 times, so yeah, and it's really like, it's just so annoying, because you know how to drive, but then you've just
made that one error, hasn't it? Because it was always one error on the test that failed you, wasn't it?
Yeah, and it was last minute as well. Going back to test
on the last test, it was gut wrenching, because the exam said, "I'm sorry, I've got to fail you."
Yeah.
Right, last few minutes, wasn't it?
Yeah, and but all the hard work, it's done. Yeah,
it's done now, isn't it? Qualified driver. So be safe on the roads.
Yeah.
And good luck to anyone who's got the test coming up.
Yeah, just focus and don't rush, and you guys will pass it. Yeah.
Safe driving.
Bye.
Bye.